Fuel film. What's that? I want to share some newcomers. Better look at that Austin American Vantage. Nissan GT. This is a pullback. And when I first saw that on web page, I thought that was only 64. Not. And another groovy thing is you put batteries in, and eventually the headlights light up. Newer mag wheels. Gonna give this fellow that's for a future wheel swap. A fair comparison. Got a new little die cast. Not sure of the name of the company. Love that speckly orange. Psychedelic. Almost. So we're trying to copy of Hot Wheels. And here's a really groovy thing. Some 3D printed motor vehicles. There's a bike for British friend for the excessive bus. Yeah. Bike for me. There's a pickle for Casey. Beautiful. And other assorted mag wheels. Cool. Got a bunch of them.